biggest crowd that this place has seen. That's how I know you love the government and you love the Prime Minister. Leave right. Those supervisors, doctor managers, supervisors, runners, drivers, get yourselves ready for the third term. For the third term, leave right. We're going to close with the party dancing.
TJ. Run them on fire, though. On the city, run them on fire, though. Yeah, man. I should put here at Party Road and go to Let's people get heart attack and gone home already. And we know more people are going to get heart attack. Because Central Manchester belongs to the People's National Party. So comrades, one love, one aim, one destiny.
That is how they think, that is their philosophy. I share the bad people, I'm going to come to the one time when I hope. He wrote a book, and I don't want to go into too much detail, but in the book, I was the leader of the opposition, and in the book, he was trying to put forward this view that, you know, Bustamante should never have left Jamaica as Prime Minister. That it was the PNP that was established to be the state authority.
And that's where you can't do it.
Because Busta decided that he would form his own political party.
Where is it? Oh yeah, June 1st.
He was of the view that Busta betrayed some kind of understanding. That's what they think.
My ex will decided me a long time.
Because it is their DNA that they will go to any lengths to destroy people who they believe that they have no control over the institution that they are appointed to run. Any lengths,
But mommy, there is so much
including to try to bully the government, to break
Me like
the
black.
rules of appointment to suit them.
Anybody saw me not like me, now mute my black.
Final one there. Final one there. So, comrades, the Eastern June, a Great River Division Conference, Great River never go green, yeah? From Clarendon to the Great Point go green, a Great River the whole division, the south to the people, National Party. What was that?
For Region 6, greetings. Greetings to all the comrades that are here this evening. Tonight it looks like all fruits ripe. Sheffield looks bright orange. That's what we see in the harvest when all fruits ripe. We are sending the message to our present government that Jamaica is ready. Western Westmoreland is ready for a change. Western Westmoreland is ready for the man with the plan. Our next member of parliament, Comrade Ian Hills. We want to let them know tonight that we need to get past the past. We have spent so many years talking about what others have done. Tonight we are presenting to you the man with a plan to get us past the past. We will no longer concentrate on the things that are gone behind us. We are using a member of parliament that is going to give you a plan for the future. So instead of talking about what has gone wrong in the past, Comrade Ian Hills is going to get us past the past, and he's going to present to you the plans for the next 5 years and to take us into the future, to show a brighter future for our Jamaica and for Western Westmoreland. Time come, time come, time come.
I tell you, John will never give the power to a ball. Comrades, I have to big up the Rasta man, selector, run this up, man.
want to get on the feet right now. Because we want shake up Central. We want shake up Central. We are going to take back Central. And at this time, make some noise as we welcome the next member of parliament for Central Manchester. We know that when the next election comes, we will only have one Crawford, and that will be Damian Crawford. The things that them cry yet, I am giving you one. We're moving quick and fast. We still have some big guns. We still have some big speakers on the platform. And we're going to take them in this order. Out of St. Elizabeth Municipal, the man who tell yourself, he's not afraid of nobody, no time, nowhere. Councillor, wait the general. Before you speak, we must speak up. One of my friend, my mentor, comrade Hassan is in the building.